Hi, welcome to my video. I am Robin Kay. I'm a Chalk Couture independent designer. Today I'm going to be doing our January club transfer. With our club transfer, it's $19.99 a month US, $26.99 Canadian, and you get a B-size transfer, 3 paste packets, and the colors that you get with this one would be Colonial Blue, Mauvelous, and Raspberry Sorbet. And I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'm doing our club transfer. I'm putting it on our 10-inch gold framed Chalk Couture board. This board will be retiring February 1st. So if you like this board or interested in getting this board, you'll want to order it soon because it's while supplies last. I love the way it turned out. It's so cute. I even like the color combination. But that is my finished project. I think it looks really cute for this month. And if you are interested in becoming a club member, just check out my links below. Comment, share, like this video. There are 3 ways to experience this. One, you get the B-size transfer with 3 pastes for $19.99 a month plus free shipping, US $26.99 Canada. Flat rate shipping on all your other orders for $4.95 US, $9.95 Canadian. Chalk Couture usually always gives a special of the month. Check out my last video to find out what this month's club special is. It's actually a really good deal. But thank you for watching. Have a good day, and bye.